Assalamualaikum, and hello YouTubers. Pro2 is here. In this video, I will share with you guys on how to repair the roof moldings on a Wira sedan. A car moldings is a strip that is fastened to the side roof panel of an automobile. It covers the gap on the left and right of the roof panel and it extends from the front to the rear windshield. The purpose of the molding is to collect raindrops and deflect them away from doors and off passengers getting in and out. As a vehicle starts to age, continued exposure to the sun, the clip under the molding starts to sag and it may eventually come off. When that occurs, the molding will flap in the wind and may fly off while driving. Generally speaking, fixing a sagging molding yourself is going to be much cheaper than replacing it. The price for one side alone is over 100. It is quite costly for just one side. Well, for less than 20 ringgit, you can fix this problem once and for all. Simply buy some new clips, install the clip underneath the molding, put the molding back in its place and your molding problem is solved. Here are step-by-step on how to reattach it before it flies away while driving your car. These clips are used to hold down the molding on a roof. We will be using 5 black clips and 6 blue clips for a single molding. For left and right side molding, you will need 10 black clips and a dozen for the blue one. A brush would be helpful in cleaning under the molding. You also need a small screwdriver to pry open the old clip. A bent one like this would be helpful. Lift the molding a bit by hand, then pry the clip using a bent screwdriver under the molding from the rear edge, working forward. This method is often faster, cheaper and does not require expertise. Disengage each roof side molding clip. Then completely remove the molding from the roof. This is what it looks like under the molding. Some clips are still in their place. Just only dirt and debris stuck in there. Also, some parts of the paint are coming off. If it's left untreated, they may result in rusting that can cause serious damage to the body of the vehicle. Next, remove the last few clips on the sides of the windshield. To remove this clip, simply push the clip down and pull the clip out. Looks like the old clip is in good condition. But better change all of it with a new one. This will make sure the molding stays in its place. Before installing the molding, be sure to clean the area from dirt, dust and road grime. A brush will help to push out dirt and debris that is still stuck in it. Once done, rinse the area thoroughly and wipe clean to dry the area using a clean towel. For a temporary solution to the problem of peeling paint, I will be using a touch-up paint. I will apply it from the front all the way to the rear windshield. To use this, just shake it well. Usually Teresa fine-tip paintbrush under the top cover. Add a little paint to the tip of the brush. Then, dab it lightly over the area. When the base coat has dried completely, it needs to be finished and sealed with a clear coat. Use the paintbrush under it, and the same dabbing technique as before. Next, replace the black clip under the molding. This is an old molding clip. This part will grip a pin on the roof. The molding won't stay put if this part comes loose. To remove the clips, use a screwdriver to pry into one of the clip's legs and then pull it out. To install the clip, place the two clips' legs into the molding and press it from above until you hear a click sound. The plastic clips of course won't last forever. Sooner or later the plastic clips can crack, break and come loose. Replacement with new clips will make sure the moldings stay in its place. There are 5 clips that need to be installed. Next, install the blue clip on the side of the windshield. If you look closely, you can see that the clip has a gap on one side. Push the clip through the gap to the pin and pull the clip down. To lock the clip in place, push this plastic part down. There are 3 clips on the side of the front windshield and 3 clips on the side of the rear windshield. Final step: installation of the molding on the roof. Start at the middle of the molding. Align the clip with the pin on the roof using a bent screwdriver. Push down the molding into the track and you will hear a snap sound. And press fit the molding to the pin on the roof. Finally, press the molding on the side of the windshield. You will hear a click sound indicating that the molding is in its place. And the job is done. Perfect. All the tools and products I used in this video will be linked in the description, so you can easily find them. Hopefully, this video was helpful. If it was, remember to give a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this, and I will see you next time. Stay tuned. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy cautiously and good luck. Pro2 DIY.